from 10 Mahar Infantryman, very senior person, my mentor in life, and he is going to talk to you on different issues. He is a well accomplished individual, but however, this is because well done, Yuvraj.
Sir, perfect.
Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, sir.
Nice to see such fresh faces in the morning, and it's very heartening to see the place because I know Captain Sarkar from probably 95, and I knew the academy when it was being run in K.S. Ramnagar.
Start my day with a focus that I should study very well, or if there's a new movie which you want to watch, or if you want to go to some place where you want to spend some time and think, learning to climb and pluck or planting the seed so that it becomes a green one. In both the combinations, you need proper experimentation. So I find out what procedure. Should I have to flip back? Should I have to do butterfly? Should I have to do any other?
Hi, my name is Kevin Verghese and I'm a student here at Officers Academy. I joined this institution a month back, fresh after completing my graduation, and I joined the CDS short capsule course a month back, and ever since I've been here in this institution pursuing my dream of joining the defense services. At first, I would like to say that this institution is the definition for discipline as well as it is a temple of education.
Yeah, I'm Meenakshi Kashyap from Officers Academy. I've been connected with this academy since past 6 years. And our academy is completely conceptual teaching. I teach NDA, CDS and regarding political science and history too. Our academy is completely based on conceptual teaching, and we train students here in a very disciplined manner, and we are conducting different batches throughout the year, all along 5 batches, and we are training our cadets for NDA, CDS as well as AFCAT too. And I have been here, and it is a very coordinated atmosphere here regarding with Captain Director, Captain Sarkar, and as well as Mr. Amarinder, who is a central manager over here, and the other faculty too are very cooperative. And mostly we try the students trained in such a way that they'll be pursuing their career in a determined way, so that they could be posted as cadets in NDA as well as CDS and AFCAT too. And many thousands of students are qualified over here, nearly about 1500 students. They have qualified and they are being trained as officers. And our academy will be conducting additional lectures by Colonel Das and other lecturers too. And they'll be trained, and they are mostly taught disciplined in an armed service manner. Why? Because mostly our academy is specialist for that too, in a disciplined way. And even parents are very much happy with our academy, students too. And we conduct adventurous tours, so in Kisara and other yearly twice or somewhat. And I'm very happy with this academy. Why? Because since I'm connected with 6 years, I'm very happy over here.
Hi, I am Amarinder, Center Manager and Principal of this institution. I am working in this institution since 2006. Here we prepare candidates, our students, to become a Class 1 commissioned officer in the armed forces, that is Air Force, Navy and Army. Our main goal is we focus on the quality of academics and other competitive examinations. Unlike other institutions, we also take our students to the outdoor adventure trips. We have developed a resort near Kisara called Brave Hearts, We take them twice in a year. We give quality not only in academics, discipline aspect, personal hygiene, and individual care will be taken. Our institution strength is restricted to 35 students in one section. We have 2 sections in first year and 2 sections in second year. Total strength of our campus is maximum 140. That's why we are able to give individual care to each and every student. Coming to the faculty, our faculty are well experienced in their subject. We don't take freshers and juniors. They are having more than 10 years of teaching experience in their subject. We conduct regular tests, and after the test, the lecturers will discuss on the question paper in detail. We also conduct regular intervals, guest lectures, that is our motivational classes and also personality development classes.
Good morning, I'm Sirisha Vishwanatha and I'm doing my second year in Officers Academy. It's been more than a year that I'm here, and this academy is one of the best academy in Twin Cities. This academy has a lot of experience, more than 30 years of experience, and they teach us a lot of discipline, how to go about in our lives. They motivate us every single day and they tell us that there's nothing impossible in our lives. They have the best lecturers ever. Our physics, maths, chemistry all are very good, and the environment where we are, it is very good, and they help us in doing what we want. Like, I basically want to become a fighter pilot in Indian Air Force, and my sir, Captain Sir, he always motivates us, and it's never that we feel very bad, or it's a very good environment to study, to enjoy with your friends, and we don't have any restrictions over here. It's always good to be disciplined, and this is what they teach us. It is the best college ever, and I just recommend this college because I have learned a lot. It's been more than a year that I'm here, and they teach us a lot. They teach us that how we should be disciplined, how we should go about ourselves, motivate us every time. It's not that if you have any difficulties in your life, let it be your studies, let it be your life, they will always be with you at any moment. If you leave this college also after 2 years, they will still be with you, and that's why I recommend this college. It is a very good college in Twin Cities. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Rebecca Chaco, and I've come to Officers Academy to prepare for the CDS entry, and I'm finding it really good because the classes start at 5:30 in the morning, and that's a good start because we are already getting up early in the morning, and that gets us started for the day. And I like the timetable as well, the way they've given slots for every subject.
Right, Colonel Chaco, I just wanted to ask you that you put your daughter here for the Combined Defence Services and AFCAT courses. So how did you come to know about Officers Academy? What kind of feedback you got from your daughter? And how has been your experience with the Officers Academy? I know you're still serving the Army. So speak a little about yourself and then about the Academy. Thank
you. Firstly, it's a nice meeting you, sir. Always a pleasure to meet a regimental officer. I'm also from Marathas, and so are you. Sir, my daughter herself found out about the Academy. And once she found out, she told me about it, and she was quite enthusiastic. So I brought her here once she got admitted. I have left her here. In fact, I am at Odisha. I am in NCC battalion, commanding an NCC battalion in Odisha. And she has been here, and now I have come to her. I think nearly a month is over now, sir. More than a month. And I am quite satisfied. I mean, I found her awareness levels. She's a very good student. She's a bright student herself, but she is more focused on her particular subjects, and her general awareness was not at all what it is now. So to that extent, sir, I'm very happy, sir, that she joined the Academy, and she seems quite enthusiastic about participation here. She seems to be quite satisfied. To that extent, I'm quite satisfied, sir. So.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
So they can ask some questions on. I get a lot of questions on depression. I get a lot of questions on not knowing what to do. I get a lot of questions on anger management. I get a lot of questions on creative ideas. I get a lot of questions on personality problems.
If you can address these, because see, these are the things which are tormenting the young minds today.
Correct.
Like, because they are with technology, all kinds of things, and they don't play games, so they don't have an energy outlet.
Correct.
वो ऑनलाइन गेम खेलता है, उसमें और भी प्रॉब्लम होता है, तो they don't exercise. What are the benefits of how you can improve your efficiency by being physically active?
Correct.
These are the issues we would like you to just talk.
But it should be pre-planned so that I fix
you ask him. Oh, he was joking that shall he come in suit and yesterday because I was sending him so many SMS. This thing is at 9:15. We are very well pre-planned.
No, I only got delayed because
not this issue.
Yeah.
We'll pre-plan. We cannot give you instant lectures because there are quarterly exams, there are unit tests, this thing. But we would love to have.
Choose any topics of the society, of the psychology, of the challenges, of the personal problems, and it can be a focused altogether talk, or it can be focused to 5-6 people who are suffering with that. It can be either of the ways. If it is 5-10 people, 15 minutes is enough.
No, you have to talk to the batches.
Oh, no problem. I'll do that.
And
very
of course,
happy.
I'll request him also.
I will be very happy.
Make out a list and SMS.
I'm waiting for the topics.
In fact, in Bikaner, army officers up to brigadier attended my talks. They attended my talks, and
no, they seriously require psychological counseling.
They said, why don't you write to the chief of army, and you talk with the army men. I mean, your examples are so mind blowing that that's what they said. That's what he said. They are in touch with me till now, Lieutenant Colonel, and all those people. They said, why don't you write to chief of army and.
Nothing. Instead of that, if you support that, okay, this is not the way you talk, and this is the way you talk. So what mistake did you do? So then, if you are concentrating towards that, obviously it will be improved. Nothing yourself, which is right and which is wrong. You have already grown up, so you have that kind of mind to think. And one more point, what I found out is something special. It can be related to drama or it can be related to literature, something else. Whenever there is a question, you start answering each other. Annotations are there. Again, annotations are there in the form. Okay. So there is no annotations in short stories. Now there will be 3 annotations. In the 3 annotations you have to write 2 and each carries 8 marks. Again, prose and poem, I will give 2 questions and again each carries 8 marks. And in short stories there are no annotations. Only question answers, again 2, again 8 marks. And how many? 24. And how many marks left? 6. The 6 marks is grammar, that is tenses.
7 colors. It splits into 7 colors. From violet to red. What do you call that?
Yeah.
So in brackets you can write the gem. Okay. It splits into 7 colors from violet to red, in brackets future, full stop. This is called dispersion of white light.
As I told you, these other colleges, these intermediate colleges and all that, they are not going to beat you in quality. They will beat you in every other sphere. They have a solution. They have more money, they have more number of students, they have more political clout, they are involved with politicians. So you cannot beat them. Are welcome to Brave Arts, and I'm going to hand over to Colonel Putrasan, Colonel Das. You already know them. They are going to give you some safety instructions. They'll divide you into 3 groups. Thereafter we'll have breakfast and we'll start the day's event. Yes, I request you obey the commands quickly. Yes, sir. Obey the commands quickly. We are 1 hour late behind schedule.
Cases, every movement has to be on order. Orders will be given to you. Okay? And nobody, this is the starting point or the firing line. Nobody will cross this line unless ordered to. That means all the rest will be behind this, not on the sides. Okay?
So please always respect your coaches. Be close to them. Take whatever knowledge you can, because they have experienced so much. If you are good to them, you go and ask them, they will definitely like to help you and develop yourself so that you become a great personality.
And make him disqualified, so we should make him as a coach to give an answer to everyone. So they made me coach last year. But I have that I can prove myself again. I go for his selection and I was selected.
your experience? What did you learn from your experience today? We just need a feedback and we'll collect from you on Monday. On